to mundo fine, night train to the end. Running hard and running fast to meet my future and away from my past. Taking the gamble that cannot last. Night train to the end.
Hello, this is the Frater SH Night Show, and our first article is an astronomer captures footage of huge 3,451 foot asteroid as it makes its closest approach to Earth in almost 90 years. And an astronomer has captured footage of a huge asteroid, 3,451 feet in diameter, as it made its closest approach to Earth in almost 90 years. Asteroid 7482 could be seen as a small white dot. Let's see. Hold on a second here. Let's see. Astronomer captured footage of a huge asteroid, 3,451 feet in diameter, as it made its closest approach to Earth in almost 90 years. Let's see. It could be seen as a small white dot as it traveled towards our planet at around 1900 GMT on Monday, January 17th. The following evening, at 21:51 GMT on January 18th, the asteroid made its closest approach to Earth since 1933, coming within 1.2 million miles of our planet. The clip was captured by Gianluca Massi, an astrophysicist and manager of the Virtual Telescope project, provided by the Bellatrix Astronomical Observatory in Italy. Another 8 so-called near-Earth objects are set to pass safely by Earth this month, according to NASA. We captured several images of the potentially dangerous asteroid, 1994 PC-1, while safely approaching us, said Massey. We made a still picture in nice animation. The image above comes from a single-second exposure remotely taken from Alina, robotic unit available at Virtual Telescope. The telescope tracked the fastest apparent motion of the asteroid. This is why stars show as long trails, while the asteroid looks like a sharp dot of light in the center of the image, marked by an arrow. Using all the images of the sequence, we could make the animation below showing 1994 PC-1 in motion against the stars. NASA put the diameter of the asteroid 7482 at 3,451 feet, which makes it larger than the tallest building on Earth. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai, which measures 2,722 feet, making its close approach on Tuesday. 7482 won't be this close to Earth again until the year 2105, according to NASA JPL. Caltech Solar System Dynamics. Asteroid 7482, which orbits the Sun every 1.5 years, was first discovered in 1994 by astronomer R.H. McNaught using the Siding Spring Observatory in New South Wales, Australia. Its orbit is very well known, according to astronomers, and varies from 0.9 AU to 1.8 AU, where 1 AU is the distance between Earth and the Sun. It is a common stony S-type asteroid. Very close approach gives astronomers the chance to study the surface and learn more about the ancient space rocks. NASA and other agencies regularly track more than 20,000 known asteroids as they orbit the Sun and occasionally cross Earth's orbit. NASA says none of the known asteroids are expected to collide with the Earth at any point in the near future, but there are asteroids whose orbits aren't known. Asteroids and other space objects are being monitored by NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies. It defines 7,000 482 is a near-Earth object and a potentially hazardous asteroid. NEOs are an asteroid or a comet whose orbit brings it into or through a zone between approximately 91 million and 121 million miles from the Sun, meaning that it can pass within about 30 million miles of Earth's orbit. If the object is larger than 460 feet across, it is considered potentially hazardous object. NEOs are comets and asteroids that have been nudged by the gravitational attraction of nearby planets into orbits that allowed them to enter the Earth's neighborhood, said NASA, composed mostly of water, ice, and embedded dust particles. Comets originally formed in the cold outer planetary system, while most of the rocky asteroids formed in the warmer inner solar system between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. The scientific interest in comets and asteroids is largely due to their status as the relatively unchanged remnant debris of the solar system formation process some 4.6 billion years ago. It is estimated there are about 25,000 near-Earth objects larger than 460 feet, and there are also an estimated 1,000 NEOs larger than 3,280 feet, highlighting the need to keep track of these space rocks. Between January 20th and January 28th, more than 8 NEOs will pass by Earth, according to NASA data. One of these, asteroid 2022 EB, could be up to 361 feet wide, which is not much in comparison to asteroid 7482, but is still larger than Big Ben. On average, Earth is hit by football pitch-sized rock every 5,000 years, and a civilization-ending asteroid every 1 million years, according to NASA's Near-Earth Object Program. In an attempt to tackle the threat of asteroids that one day may get too close for comfort, NASA formed a planetary defense program that includes the Double Asteroid Redirection Test mission that launched in November. Deflecting an asteroid such as Bennu, which has a small chance of hitting Earth in about a century and a half, could require multiple small impacts from some sort of massive human-made deflection device. According to experts, scientists in California have been firing projectiles at meteorites to simulate the best methods of altering the course of asteroids so that it wouldn't hit Earth. Well, thank you, and that's all for the show today.